topic that I can talk about for at length. It's something that I studied really hard in, especially in my family. We have a family full of neurodiverse people. And executive functioning is something that if we didn't work really hard on, our world would fall apart. We would not function and get here with most of our belongings and be able to remember what we needed to do. So it takes a lot of work, and we have 4 children. I do have a husband. He's over in the corner. So a little bit about myself, if you don't know me, because there's a lot of pieces in here that I do not know, so thanks for coming tonight. So I started Wild a while ago. It first was called Learning with Fun, and we were down near Internet. And I started out as a public school teacher doing ed tech and supporting, and then I went to private school. I worked on an island, and I always loved working one-on-one with kids because that's when you make the most significant amount of change. You can change things in order to meet their needs versus sticking to one type of box idea. And so I was like, I love this and I want to do it for myself. So we started, and I had no idea that it would become as big as it is. So we started with 4 kids when I started. It was just me. And then we went from 12 to 32, and then COVID hit, and it was like we were open 5 days a week, ready to go. And in the meantime, I still had my private practice. And so in the private practice, we specialize in executive functioning. We do work on dyslexia as well as behavioral interventions, parent programming to help with building resources and tools for parents to go home and be able to help and feel successful versus not having tools to help your child at the very late evening when you get home and they've held it in all day, right? And then it's a nice hot mess and you're already tired. So how to help work through some of those challenges so it doesn't feel so stressful by the end of the week. So I'm the founder, headmaster of the school, Wild Method, which is what our private practice is. We have the Wild 360, and that's something that I will talk to you guys about tonight too. And then the Bain system, and that is something that is my teaching philosophy, and we built it into a product that really works for everyone, and it's a holistic approach to teaching and executive functioning and counseling, many, many things. My credentials, I'm finishing my doctorate, should be done in about 6 months maybe. We have a doctorate in educational leadership. I have a master's degree in education and special ed. And then I did go for social work. So I worked as a crisis clinician before all of that and worked with kids that were on the spectrum or in group homes.
Hi, this is Jessica, and I would like to thank you for watching. I do hope you found it helpful to your life situation. If you ever wish to talk about our Wild programs, please reach out by contacting me through my email address or our contact form on our website. I do hope you are having a wonderful day.